just this cornice up here could be made secure. Coming loose, I've opened up along here and the old last one here, so I'm going to wet it down and fill it right up again. And when that's done, we'll put a few screws in it too, just to see if we can just to hold it up. We've got this prop here going down to the ground. It's about 14 foot high ceiling, so this was all filled in here before, so you couldn't really tell how loose it was, but it is pretty loose. So with the cornices, they can be deceptively look okay, but it's still loose. These heavy old Victorian cornices, probably 18th century. That's what it looks like. Right from down. We're just going to wet in behind up that cornice right in there. It's going to need quite a bit of water. And for the top of the cornice as well. You just got to splash that in there off your brush. It's starting to drip down a bit now, so that's a good indication that it's pretty well full of water in here at the top of that cornice. Squeeze that cornice cement in there. Push it right in and up into the lathes. Just keep pushing it in. Right up through those last inside. There's a big gap in it. So it'll go up there and it'll secure that corner. And I'll just use the trowel as well. Push it in there. So it's filling quite well. Coming from down here. Okay, that's ready. All you got to do is hold her in place. Basically.
Yeah.
I'll just get back up there.
Oh no, well hang on, I've got to look at what I've got to press, that one.
No, you don't have to press anything, it's going.
It's going, right.
The red dot's flashing.
Yep. Okay.
Yep, no, that's fine. Big crack up here next.
Oh, I couldn't hold it up much longer because of the shoulder.
Sorry?
I said I couldn't hold it up much longer because
sorry,
of the
that's
shoulder.
fine. I understand. Hey. Okay, that's pretty well nearly finished. It's got to shape it up. There's another bit of filling here that's a bit deceptive. It's just been filled and filled and filled, but behind it all the cornice is loose. I'm going to cut that back and fill it up a bit. Probably over 120 years of 140 years of paint. Move that down a bit of here. Open up a bit more. There we go, and then up again too. Just have to mix a little bit more. We'll squeeze some in here again. Losing it. You've got to try and get in there and squeeze it right up also. And on top of the corners. So we're joining it back to those slats, those last up above. That's all we're doing. There's a gap there at the moment. Okay. Okay, we're going to, it's filled up. We're going to put a couple of screws in here just to make it a bit stronger. First of all, we'll pre-drill it. And just use literally the head of the screw gun for that. Can use a drill if you like. Yeah, because that cornice might crack if we don't pre-drill it. There's no reinforcement in that. It hasn't hit anything. I'll have to jiggle that to try that one. About 75mm or 70mm screw. Okay, let's pull it out. Hear that? And the sound of the drill. We'll get a different angle on that. The slats are running, just got little gaps in between them. Okay, so like it might have got one too.
It's going.
Get it out of that. And pulled up. Good. We'll fill those up and that'll be done. That one's pulled up, this last one there. Okay, we'll go back over that in a minute.
Anyway, I'll give you the number.
Yeah, okay, thanks. So we've got to just smooth that out, level it up. Got to shape this up. Probably put a bit more on too, because I can level it up quite right. Not quite enough. We'll slowly build it up into shape a bit. Okay, just still building this up into shape a bit. This section here's dropped down from the ceiling a bit. Filled up in right in behind it, put some screws in. I'm just going to try and level this ceiling out, the line of the corners. Okay, I've got to sort of start shaping this up. It's starting to go off a bit. I'm just using a bit of 80 grit paper. A good quality one. It takes water. Very good for shaping the members up there. Even the small ones we can fold it. Together. Right. Starting to take shape now. This section. Brush, water, and it's pretty close now. There's a bit more dollying up in this corner here. A little bit thin that member there. Make it a bit bigger. Blend in better. Match up better. It's pretty well wet. But we're going to, good as we're going to get it. And this section is made completely and put from that corner right across. I'm going to get that made up on the bench, but it costs a lot more to do. Okay? But it depends if the ceiling's worth having it done too also. So this will do for the time being. And used a bit of Mr. Sheen to clean this full gloss ceiling up. Polish it up, get the plaster smears off it that were there before. And it's come up like new, that paint. It's about 40 years old. That's about it. Hope you've enjoyed it.